this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your Snapchat account with a recovery key. So let's just get straight into the video. So to recover a Snapchat account using a recovery code, what you need to do is you must have previously generated one in your settings. So simply head into your profile icon, click on your settings, and this is where you want to simply go ahead and head into my account, and this is where you want to click on two-factor authentication, turn this on, and also create your backup code. So once you've already done that, copy and paste your backup code on a note or somewhere safe. And once you've done that, all you need to do is when opening Snapchat, enter your username and password to attempt to log in. When asked for the 2FA authentication code, just select use recovery code instead. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.